Hi guys, welcome back to another segment of Let's Talk Review on Let Me Speak. Black Val is the movie I'm about to review and it's available on Ibaka TV. The movie centers around the life of a man who can't seem to let his past go, and his past it keeps affecting his present relationship. So he's caught between making a decision that will either make him or break him. And I love this movie. I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys. The movie was written and it was produced by Iyabo Ojo and it was directed by Desmond Elliott. So the movie featured the likes of Iyabo Ojo herself, Tina Mba, Priscilla Ojo, Seun Akindele, Eniola Badmus, Antalaniyo, Bukky Wright, Desmond Elliott himself, Belinda Effa, Eniola Badmus, and I think I said that already, and all other actors and actresses. There are so many reasons why I love this movie. My God! First of all, the obvious thing there is the cast. The cast was so amazing, and honestly, I think when the script is so good, you see top performance from the cast, and that's exactly what I got from this movie. Aside the cast, they did fantastically well, and then there's the script. I thought the script was very superb, and the delivery, the entire delivery just made it so nice to watch. I mean, even as I'm watching the video, I'm like, wow. I kept on saying, wow. There is the wow factor in this movie, which makes me give an easy 10 over 10 for me. Now, if you think about the props that was used, from pictures to wardrobe, everything that has to do with props, the way they designed the set, it was really nice. You can see the pictures of couples on the wall. You can see their life, their life story, their love story, all over the wall. And I love how it was multiple couples with different stories, and how they all come in together to make one. Of course, there's this main story in it. I thought that was really it was really creative of the writer. So I'm saying a bravo to Iyabo Ojo for this movie. It was a masterpiece to an extent. Now, the movie centered around how they talk about the past and the present. So the picture that was created in the past and in the present was so different. I loved it. It wasn't that kind of movie that they would tell you 3 years ago, and you see the main characters having a specific hair, and then in 2 years later, you still seeing them on the same hair. There was nothing like that in this movie. I love all the main lead roles. There's Desmond Elliott. There's Tina Mba. I love that woman. I love how she acts. They're so easy to watch. And another thing from the couples that also brought a little bit of comic to the movie was Eniola Badmus and Seun Akindele. My gosh, I love each and every scene I see these two couples. They boo boo. It was really fun to watch. And then there is Seun Akindele. I'm sorry, Babalẹ̀ Nínàlọ́wọ́ and Iyabo Ojo. I think they're doing really wonderfully well in their own space also. So there are so many things that I said. The picture quality was great, which is no news. The sound quality was great. The location used was awesome. Everything was so superb. Everything came in together to make a very fantastic movie. As I said, I'm giving this movie a 10 over 10. I think you guys need to go check it out. It's absolutely beautiful. It addresses a lot of stuff in relationship, how people claim to say their relationship is perfect, how what fits one, and Lori ko niru, that kind of stuff. It was really nice. You guys go check out Black Val. I'm giving this movie a 10 over 10. And bravo again to Iyabo Ojo. Thank you guys so much, and that's about it on Black Val. For those of you who are just watching, my name is Oini, and I review African movies and English and music video. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much. So go ahead and watch this movie. Comment, thumbs up, and ciao. Bye bye.